Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So on today's video I'll be coupling this standing unit air conditioner indoor unit. So guys, this evaporator was having leakage and I have already done video on this evaporator, how I was able to check leakage on this evaporator, and I also did a video on how I was able to weld this evaporator unit. So if you have not watched the video, you can go to my channel and watch the video so that you can follow up this video. So this is after servicing it and also weld the leakage that was on the evaporator coil. So what I'm doing now is to start coupling the evaporator and I'll be taking it for installation. So this is the way I'm coupling this evaporator. So please, if today is the first time you're coming across my channel, please help me to subscribe to this channel and also drop your own opinion under the comment section, and don't forget to share this video so that others can see and also benefit from this video. Thank you. So guys, I'll be screwing it. This is how I'm screwing the evaporator, and this is how I'm coupling this standing unit evaporator. So it's going to take a little time for me to couple this unit, so please stay tuned, watch this video to the end. Thank you. So guys, after screwing the evaporator, so what I'll be fixing next is the panel. This is the panel that controls this indoor and also the outdoor unit. So I'll be fixing the panel now and make sure I screw the panel very well. So what I am holding now is the temperature sensor. So I'll be fixing it where it's supposed to be. So this coupling is going to take a little time to couple this unit. So after this, I'll be fixing the casing. service from the other one.
Say one do a push on you, work it down.
Saya sempat